How to install Fifth Third Bank app on PC using emulator. First of all, download and install an emulator such as Bluestacks, LDPlayer, NoxPlayer, or others from their official websites. Here I am using LDPlayer. Next, make sure you are signed in with your Google account. This is required to access the Play Store. If you don't have a Google account, you will need to create one. After signing in, open the Play Store from the LDPlayer home screen. In the search bar at the top, type Fifth Third Bank and press enter. You will see the official app by Fifth Third Bank listed there. It should have the recognizable blue and white logo with the number 5/3. Now, click on the install button and wait for the download and installation to complete. It might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once it's installed, you will find the app icon on the LDPlayer home screen. Tap on the app icon to open it, sign in with your Fifth Third Bank credentials, and you will be able to use all the banking features just like on your phone, but now from your PC. In my case, the app is not available in my region, so keep in mind that availability may vary depending on your location. And that's it. Now you know how to install Fifth Third Bank app on PC using emulator. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.